Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Thursday, March 24th. Let's find out what is on our calendar. We have been talking about 30 minutes of time going by, which is a half an hour, or a full hour of time, which is 60 minutes. On yesterday's card, we had 2:30. Let's see what's on today's card and see how much time has passed by. Wow. So the clock moved from 2:30 to 3 o'clock. So the big hand moved 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30 to 3 o'clock. 30 minutes of time went by, which is equal to half of an hour. We've been talking about halves, and you can see as the big hand moved from the 6 all the way up to the 12. That is half of the circle, or half of an hour. Let's now go into our days in school. And if we add another day, we are officially at 128 days in school. Incredible how time is flying by. So we'll change all of this to show 128. 128. Love these number words. 100 plus 28. And then we have 50 plus 50 plus 28. As we continue to go on with our number corner, we are now going to talk about our dimes, nickels, and pennies collection. We'll spin the spinner to see what we're adding to our collection for this day. Whoa. I want to bring this in closer so you can see it. We have 1 dime and 3 pennies that we're adding to our collection. 1 dime and 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. That means tomorrow we get to count all of the money. That'll be really cool. The next thing I'd like to do for our number corner is go to page 44 in your book that has blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Again, it has, look at this picture to make sure you have the correct book. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. And you're turning it to page 44. Please pause the video if you need to go grab this book. Hurry back so we can continue with this activity. Now that you have it on page 44, what you're going to do for the top half of the page, you're going to actually trace over all of the numbers from 1 all the way up to number 31. Then we have a special job on this page. After you have traced all of those numbers, we're going to actually fill in a calendar. With the calendar, we're going to mark some information. I'll show you what you need to do, and then I'll give you time to do it. After you've written in all of those numbers from 1 to 31 on the top part of the page, you're going to come down here, and you're actually going to put in on here the word March because it really is the month of March that we're in. And we'll take that word March and put it right there. We're going to put in today's date, which is the 24th. We'll put that information here. And then we'll also put, since we're close to it, the year, which is 2022. So when it's all done, we have the following information. We have the month, the date, and the year. The next part of this activity involves writing in the actual numbers that you would see on a calendar. And we're about to do that in just a moment, and then you'll be all set with your number corner. So we're going to write in the first day of March was on a Tuesday. So we're going to write 1 was the first day of March. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're going to just continue. 12, 13, 14, 15. My 5 looks bad. I have to make it neat so someone can see it and read it. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, I said 24, and that's today's date, Thursday, March 24th. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and we stop at the number 31. Some of you may say, well, why did you stop? There are numbers after the number 31. You are correct. But in the month of March, there are only 31 days. So we stop writing numbers once we reach the number 31. It asks you here to show tally marks for how many days we have in this month. Or today's date in this month, I stand corrected. So we're going to draw 24 tally marks since today is the 24th. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 tally marks. That's what you're supposed to do on this page. Again, do not forget to put the numbers at the top and then completely fill in your calendar. That's all you have to do on this page. I know you can do it, All Stars. Off you go.